Hi, I'm Richard Sasnett of PuroClean of Augusta, Georgia. You're probably here because you need restoration services due to property damage, or perhaps you need one of our other services, such as water, fire, or mold remediation, or even biohazard cleaning. We're here to help you as quickly and as efficiently as possible. You've come to the right place. We are the paramedics of property damage, thoroughly screened, fully insured, and industry certified to remediate and restore residential, commercial, and healthcare facilities. We are confident in what we do because our proven track record and our management team's combined 45 years of outstanding customer service in the remediation and reconstruction industry. Our employees are compassionate, caring, and always professional. We will always treat you like family. Call us at the number below for help anytime, day or night, 24/7, to restore and rescue your property.